Mecklenburg County health employee will spend nearly 2 years in prison after being convicted of multiple sex crimes. We've been following this story since September of 2023 when Daniel Pity Casazola was first arrested in Charlotte. Now, at the time, he was working as a Spanish language interpreter for the county health department. That's when a woman claimed she received an illegitimate medical exam at her home by Casazola. But we're told he was not a medical professional and therefore had no grounds to perform any examinations. He was charged with sexual assault under pretense of medical treatment. More than a month later, 6 additional victims came forward with similar stories. Today, the special victims team tells us Casazola pleaded guilty to 2 counts of second-degree forcible sexual offense and 7 counts of his original charges. A judge sentenced him to up to 260 months in prison, and he'll register as a sex offender for 30 years.